So first time best performer is Masud Rana bhai. Masud Rana, just here to Masud Rana. So please Masud Rana brother, please come and take your. Okay, please. For best performer. Okay, you don't need to push anything. Okay.
I'm feeling very happy and delighted, and I feel so glad that outspoken is very friendly and very effective platform to me, that I can or I spend my time with outspoken family, and outspoken makes me very strong or very confident listener or practitioner and English language learner. And I hope through regular practice in English or through regular class at outspoken, anyone can change his or her life. I appreciate outspoken bright future, and I am grateful to outspoken and Afzal bhai make me honor, and thank you very much. Grateful to you all. Best wishes to all. And thank you.
I mean someone who has improved himself from zero to standard level. So this prize will go to, and the name is Mr. Akter Habib. Please big hand for Akter Habib. And the secret history, Donna 30. But this time, Akter Habib gonna get this prize. What is this? I don't know. Thank you. Please take it. Done? Journalist? 30 seconds.
Okay. At first, thanks to Mr. Afzal creating a fine group outspoken for learning English, and he is exactly right. Express about me because of in English I am zero. I was zero. Now I trying to learn and speak some English, and I think if I try to some days I will be a good performer in English, and please pray for me.
Yes.
The best online activist is Nasrin and Setu. As you know that everyone will know that she is the most online activist always. So it's Setu.
I'm really glad that I have got this present, and outspoken is really a great opportunity for us to practice English and learn from here. So keep practicing. I know, and we all will speak in English fluently. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Now someone who has very bright future from my city. Actually, as I told, that everyone, almost 50 students of you have very bright future. I appreciate it, but I got someone who has very bright future because he is very active. He keeps his word. He promises. He is very promising. He is very much active in class. Even in outside class, his performance is excellent. Everything is excellent. That's why I think he is the best nominee for this award, and he is none other than he is Zainal. Please.
Thank you very much to outspoken and Afzal brother. My English speaking journey is started from outspoken, and I wanna go more far away, and it is very helpful for me, and I hope all of outspoken students will be successful in life. Thank you.
Thank you. who are very active, participating every class in right moment. And he is none other than Mr. Imon. So Imon, I'm so honored to give you this award. Please. For being on time, class on time. Thank you.
At first, thanks outspoken and thanks Afzal Bhai. He teaches me. I was zero and present I something English. I know something English spoken. Please pray for me. If we get our mission in English content is spoken.
Thank you. And last one but not the least. Last one is for someone who is struggler. I mean, I've met some students who was so much frustrated. After attending few classes, they think that they can't speak English. They keep themselves in hide. They hidden themselves. I don't know why. If you lose your confidence, you can't do anything. Not only you can't speak English, you can't do anything. I have a student who was very much active, very much struggler. So I must say he is the best struggler of outspoken from my eyes. And he is known other than he is Kamrul Islam. Kamrul.
First time I joined outspoken class and my teacher, my honorable teacher Akter every time suggest me you will bright in future. So I try to my best.
We'll have a photo session, please.
I try to my best
Last
and
photo session.
I wish our outspoken
And prize winner will be in front line. We are with
our
backside.
outspoken program is developed.
I mean, winner will be the front side with
Thanks
go
for
down, knee down.
Thanks, my honorable teacher.
Thank you.